Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. On our previous video, we do have the ZT Max 20. It's an Apple Watch Ultra clone. This one, it is an Apple Watch Series 9 or 10 clone. I think it's Series 10, stated here. Okay, so we have the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. We are going to check the design, the specs, and the UI of the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. So if you are interested to get this one, but you want to see the design first, as well as the specifications and UI, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and have the unboxing review of the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. So before we check on the contents of this box, let's check first the packaging. As you can see here, we do have the Series 10 label. We have available straps here, at least 2 straps. It's stated here that it is a Super AMOLED screen, but I think it's just IPS. Big 2.19-inch infinite display. At the back, we have the QR code for the app. Okay, we don't have any details on the specs here, just the ZT 10 Pro or ZT Pro 10 branding, nothing else. It is a decent looking packaging here. It is much better compared to other Apple Watch clone smartwatches with a very cheap packaging. Okay, next, let's check out the contents of this wearable. So let's remove the plastic here. So what are the contents of this wearable? Is it wireless charging? Let's see. Stated here, we do have at least 2 straps available for the wearable. And the contents of this ZT Pro 10 are, we have the user manual, we have the strap here, ocean strap with steel buckle. We have at least 2 straps for our smartwatch. Nice. We do have a wireless charging, USB Type A, and of course we have the Series 10 Apple Watch clone. Nice. So far, we do have a silver color here, or maybe it's a pink color. We do have some damage here on the paint. Anyway, let's remove this and let's check out the details about the wearable. Again, before we proceed with the dimension and weight, the contents are, we have the smartwatch, we have at least 2 straps for the wearable, we have the charging cable, and of course we do have here the user manual. Next, let's check out the dimension and the weight of the wearable of the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. So let's check out the weight first. Let's turn on our weighing scale here, 00, and we have 34.85 or 35 without the strap. Again, 34.85, 35 grams without the strap, and with the strap attached, we have at least 48 here, just less than 50 grams. So lightweight smartwatch. So this is a Series 10 smartwatch. It's a bit big compared to our previous Apple Watch clone smartwatch. For the thickness here, without the sensor, we have 12.1. Again, so 11.5 without the sensor. For the length, we have 47 or 48. I think 48. And for the width here, we have 40.4 or 40 for the width of our ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. So let's attach the strap before we check on the design. Now that the strap is attached, let's take a look at the design of the wearable. So it's pretty familiar here when it comes to the design. As you can see, we do have a crown button and a side button. The finish is okay. We do have a watch strap lock here, but as I have said, it is useless. I think it's not locking this strap anyway. We do have a stainless steel buckle here, and based on the specs here, we do have a 2.19 infinite display. I think it's okay for the design. Okay, when it comes to the category of Apple Watch clones. Okay, so let's turn it on and let's check the specifications. Now that we are done with the design and we already charged the wearable, let's check out the specifications of the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. I'm going to put it here. So the smartwatch do have a 2.19-inch AMOLED screen display, but I think it's an IPS LCD screen. 420 by 494 pixel resolution. Let's see. Okay, and with a 15 days standby time, 7 days battery life for normal usage, Bluetooth 5.2, IP68 waterproof rated, Android and iOS compatible, and it is using the ZT Fit application, available on Android and iOS. Again, here are the full specifications of the smartwatch. Now that we are done with the specifications, let's proceed to the UI of the smartwatch. So this one, it is a rotary crown button that works as a power and home button as well. So this is a, let's see, a return button. Okay, for the UI, just swipe from top to down. We have the notifications. From top to, or from bottom to up, we have the settings and other options for the smartwatch. On the right, we have the widgets, and on the left, we have a one-page layout for the common applications. So that's it for our unboxing review of the design, the specs, and the UI of the ZT Pro 10 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.